Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove extensions from your Google Chrome browser. Now, a lot of people, put extensions for different things. Maybe it's for a crypto wallet, maybe it's Grammarly, maybe it's, something else that you're trying to utilize, and you have your extension on, but at a point you no longer want it there. There's times also where you might download an extension by accident, and you want to remove it because it's doing things you don't want it to be doing. This is also a security measure to make sure there's no malware on your computer, because sometimes there can be extensions that are downloaded without you even realizing. So verifying your extensions and then removing the ones you don't recognize or use can be very helpful in just, cleaning up your computer as well. So to do this, all we have to do is go to this icon right here. This is the extensions icon. So we're going to go ahead and click this, and then you'll see all of the extensions that we have available. So for me, I have my Grammarly AI writing assistant, I have my Unisat wallet, which is a crypto wallet, and I have my Xverse Bitcoin crypto wallet as well. Now, these are the ones that I see active, that are being utilized on a daily basis typically, but if I want to get rid of these, obviously I can click here and do what I want, for instance, by clicking remove extension. But what I recommend doing is going to manage extensions down here. By clicking this, it'll bring you to a new page, and this is where you'll actually see all of your extensions. Because sometimes when you click this, you might not see every single one. Sometimes they can be hidden, and it'll also talk about the permissions up here, but by clicking manage extensions and coming to this page on your Google Chrome extensions page, you can actually adjust it accordingly and see all of the details for each one. So for instance, I have my Unisat wallet, my Grammarly, and my Google Docs one, as well as my Xverse wallet. And out of these, I no longer use my Unisat wallet. So whether it's something that you don't want there because it's something you don't recognize or it's something you no longer utilize, all you have to do now is once you're here, you can go ahead and click remove. By clicking remove, it'll give you this prompt right here. If it's something that you're not aware of, that you feel kind of abused your system, you could report abuse, saying that they did something you didn't want or that you never acknowledged this download. That is just not 100% necessary, but it is an option you can do, and then simply click remove here. Before I do this, you can also click details to get the details of exactly what it is if you're unsure. Sometimes it's helpful. For instance, the Google Docs offline, I wasn't 100% sure what this was initially, but once clicking details, I've seen that it was something I do utilize on a daily basis for my Google Docs. So once again, if we wanted to remove this, we're going to click remove. It'll pop this up. We're going to go ahead and click remove. And then just like that, the extension is gone from your Google Chrome browser. We won't see it here, and we won't see it on the main page. So once again, if you wanted to do this, we can start from here, click this icon here, go to manage extensions, find the one you want to remove, make sure that it is the one you want to remove by checking the details if necessary, clicking remove, then going through the prompt itself, and it will be fully removed from your Google Chrome browser. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.